Hello, my name is Sarah and welcome to my messy closet. I am a mess. Everything is a mess. I am just one of those people. I'm very clean, but I am messy. And I don't mean in my life, I just mean in the shit that I have. Anyway, welcome. I have not been on YouTube for a minute. I have had lots and lots of things going on, and to be quite honest, I didn't know what the hell I was doing. I don't know what I'm doing on social media, but I do know I want to share all my purchases because, you know, I'm just like a Western suburbs girl. Like I don't have like loads of money, and the purchases I make are really, you know, pretty much thought through. And I've just got some key things that I pick up here and there that I really love and know that I'm going to use or try and use. I do have a couple of things that have failed on me. Anyway, so I'm going to get into it because you're here for it. So messy closet and all, I don't care. No makeup, it's me. I got this just before Christmas. It's my Christmas present from my fiance, and I haven't unboxed it yet. I love that at Christmas you get these stars with Dior on it. Like, they're quite hefty. Like, it's good quality. I like that kind of little detail that you get. Like, apart from the shopping experience, and, you know, they offer you the champagne and the water or whatever you want, just those little added details I love. So anyway, I want to get into it. So I got the reason why I haven't unboxed this yet is because I have been really busy. It's been Christmas and I haven't needed to use it. Like, I haven't wanted to use it. It's been really hot, and I just haven't wanted to use it yet. So there's purely the reason why I haven't opened it. I know what it is, so I know, you know, that's why I haven't opened it. Anyway, I will tell you that it is, it's a Lady Dior. Anyway, so I've got that. In that, they gave me this magazine. I keep these magazines. I love them. They're great coffee table books. Sometimes I end up with a few of them and I give them to friends so they can put them on their coffee tables. They look nice. Anyway, into the unboxing. Here's the box. There's nothing else in the bag apart from my receipt. Here's the box. She's so pretty. I love these ribbons. Like, this is a beautiful ribbon. Like, this, you can feel this. Like, this is nice. Anyway, let's unbox it.
This is gonna be hard.
I'm so excited.
Like, I haven't seen it in a minute. Okay.
So, just a dust bag, normal dust bag, but in there, I'm so freaking excited. So freaking pretty. I've wanted this, I don't know for how long. Like, I just love it. I absolutely love it. Oh my god. It's still got like the stickers and everything on it. It's a small Lady Dior lambskin black with the what's the hardware called? I don't know. It's like that gunmetal grey. Anyway, I love it. So this, and then these have all got stickers. So this is just Dior, and they're all got stickers on them to protect them. A little bit of a leather back here, and then you can see the charms there, which I'm not going to take the stickers off just yet. You can see here the CD detailing and the studs on the bottom. I love that it's got the studs on the bottom because when you're putting it down, you're not going to wreck the bottom of your bag, which is just you don't want to do that. Anyway, the most exciting thing about this, like, I know it's a black bag, okay, but it is gorgeous, and it is the perfect size for a crossbody, which is exactly what I wanted it for. But the best thing about this, which I love, and I got them to do before I left the boutique because I wanted them to put it on. I don't know why I was funny about that, but I thought it was going to be more difficult than it was. But anyway, this comes with 3 free charms. Do you see them there? It's a bit shiny, but they're a rose, dusty rose. So we've got the heart, we've got Dior star, and in here it's just got like a Dior, like, it's got a star on it, it's got little diamantes in there, it says Christian Dior. I know you can't probably, because it's glaring. Anyway, so this is the crossbody strap. So they came in these little pouches. Aren't these cute? Like, they're just netted on the inside, see? And yeah, these come free. You can buy more. A lot of people get their initials and stuff on it, but I didn't want my initials. They had like the S in gold, but it wouldn't have gone. Like, if you have a look at the hardware, like gold or silver really wouldn't go with this. So yeah, nice and quick. Let me just take this off. There we go. There's the handles. I love them. And then the inside is a flap, so like this. Bring in there, so I'll take that out, and then I'll take the padding out, and there's obviously the little booklet here, probably with the care instructions and stuff. And you can see the inside of this. She got a hidden secret. Oh yeah, she does. Isn't that just stunning? Look at that red, like, oh, I love her. Little zip pocket in there. Where am I looking? There's a little zip pocket in here, if you can see that, just in there. But I tried this in the store, and I can what's it called, I can fit, that's actually pretty good. It's got, see here, it's actually got a little tag here, and it's actually, I think it's leather, and I guess it's to pull out the pocket. So if you want to clean out your pocket, it's easy to pull out. I actually really love that. I think that, I don't know if that's the real reason why they have that or what, but that was the first thing I did, was grab that out. So that's actually going to be pretty convenient if you want to clear it out. Anyway, it's got CDs on the inside, and I think it's just a little risky. Oh, look at it. I like her. I like her a lot. Anyway, yeah, and I tried this on in the store, and it's okay. I was just looking for my phone, but I'm filming on my phone because I'm an idiot. Anyway, it fits my phone in it perfectly, and that's her. She's really pretty. And I could get out my other Lady Dior, which I have a medium Lady Dior, and compare sizes, but it's in a box and I don't know which one, so I can't bother looking for it. I had a minute between kids going to the beach, kittens are asleep. I'm fostering some kittens at the moment, and yeah, I just thought, wow, oh my god, I've got the house almost to myself, I can actually do some filming. Anyway, so that's it for me. I wanted to unbox that so desperately. I'm sorry if it's not that great of an unboxing. I really don't know what I'm doing. I just want to share. So if you like luxury goods, you are on a budget like me, and you are interested in the things that I have purchased and the things that I'm planning on purchasing, then continue to watch my channel, because I buy a lot of luxury makeup and skincare and things like that, so I'll share all that with you. And I travel a lot, and yeah, my daughters just keep saying to me, Mum, you should really just put it on, you know, some sort of platform, so because people would probably be interested, because, you know, I'm just a western suburbs girl, like, you know, I'm not loaded, I'm just, you know, your average house mum, and yeah, I like to buy luxury goods, and I don't really know what else to say about that. So anyway, if you're interested in following me along on my luxury journey and my travel journeys and all that kind of stuff, then this is your channel. If not, I guess bye. I don't know what the fuck I'm saying. I'm just being, I don't know what I'm saying. Anyway, follow this western suburbs messy mum, and see how I go with what I pick, why I pick it, and what I choose to spend my money on, and where I refuse to spend my money. And yeah, just that's it.